I'll leave them here for the next person. Look at this large apple murex. It has really good color, tricolor. You can see the little ridges on the inside still. Look like teeth. Pretty nice one. Leave it here for somebody else to find. Came to a nice looking shell pile right here. I already see an orange horse conch, which I love. Chestnut turban. Florida fighting conch, a little beat up. Rock snail. Broken shark eye. Olive. Broken. Oh man. Broken piece of a true tulip. That would have been super pretty. It's like someone just bit out the middle of it. Ugh. That's sad. Let's take our little shell right here. See what's hiding underneath. Another olive. Little tinted cantharus. Oh, broken. Top snail. Pretty big banded tulip. Nice color. Maybe I'll take this one for my giveaways. Be sure to like and subscribe so you can be eligible for the next giveaway. Tide pool here. Nice Florida fighting conch. I think I'll take this for a giveaway. And I see another super big banded tulip in here. Oh, two. I'll also include these in my next giveaway if I can hold on to them long enough. I see a little hermit sticking out. Oh, this is nice. I like finding these